It doesn't matter if it's in brand new condition when there's any one of them.
So there's
It's not
always
much.
been a lot of hype about Amazon liquidation pallets. We've all seen the videos, many from America, showing other pallet stores, such as the ones that Harry Tornado talks about, where all the Amazon liquidation gets spread out on a table and you can go and pick through it, or other people who like franchise kicks who end up and go and buy pallets and show a haul of them. So when I found out that I could get Amazon liquidation pallets in the UK, I decided to jump on that straight away. But what I didn't anticipate was the dark side of it. When I purchased these pallets, I was given certain assurances. Let's go down to the storage unit and I'll tell you what I mean.
I don't know whether I need to kick off about this with the person I got it from, because I was sold these two pallets for £400 each, and I was told that all the shoes come in pairs. And it was one of the reasons why I went for the pallet, was because I was told when I purchased them they all came in pairs, and a lot of them do, like this, in bags. Some, just loose in bags, but they did come as pairs. These are a pair of Adidas boots, trainer type things. But having gone through this, I've realised that there's a lot that's not, and I wanted to show you some of the ones that I have got single shoes and what I can do with that, because I really don't know what to do. I mean, I paid more than I normally would for this sort of thing on the basis that there was pairs, but when I was looking at the pallets in this YouTube short, I saw this on top. Pair of kickers, and really nice condition, but there's only one of them. So, it doesn't matter if it's in brand new condition when there's only one of them. It's not much use. So I'll just go through them all. I'll just show you some. There are some that are not so good, which I don't mind. But this next one, this is an absolute wounder. This is a pristine condition pair of Solomon X Ultra 360s. Not pair, a single one. UK size 11.5. I got the second one of that. That would sell really nicely, but there's only one. I'm not going to keep reiterating that because you get the idea. Another pair of kickers. I keep saying pair, but it's not a pair. It's just a single. Another kicker. A kick in the nuts, more like. So yeah, only one of them. Need to stop saying that. Skechers. Skechers Relax Fit Memory Foam. Nice condition. Another nice one here. This is a pair of steel toe cap ones. These are spelled COOU. Newer tags. That would have been, I'm guessing, 25, 30 quid. This is, I don't know what brand this is. Hobby Bear. I don't think that's going to be worth it much. So stuff like that, I'm not so fussed, but still, new condition. I get all right money on Vinted for something like that. 8-10 quid. A single Bruno Mark smart shoe. That would have been nice. GM, lovely condition. Single one. And I know people do buy single shoes, amputees and stuff. Now this one is a return fraud one, so I'm not so fussed. It's a Reebok one. GOX. These look a bit worn, so they're probably a return fraud. Nice boot of some sort. This is safe. Oh, it's a safety shoe. Safe toe. Just a single one. What am I going to do here? What am I going to do with all this? Skechers, machine washable. And it goes on and on and on. This is just from the two pallets. Fitville. Heritage boot. Have a guess. How many? Put the comments in the comment section. This is Adidas boot. That's actually, I think that's the same one I've got a pair of. They're all very similar. There's kind of mids and they're high tops. But I mean, that'd be that's Adidas Traxion. I'm not even going to look them up because it's already painful. Pair of Hush Puppies. I think they're some of the more heavy hitters. Another pair of Skechers. This entire bin bag that I can barely lift is full of ladies' shoes as well. More Skechers. There's giant pair of Birkenstocks, and then giant wellies. Lakeland Active. You get the idea. I've got 40 single shoes so far out of these 2 pallets. I think I've only got maybe 20 pairs, maybe 25 pairs of shoes that I can sell. So I've got more singles than I have actual pairs. What would you do? Would you kick off about it? I mean, I get the look of the drawer and all that, but yeah, if they hadn't said we've had good feedback on these, and the good thing about it is all the shoes are in pairs, I probably wouldn't think about kicking off because you just think, well, okay, it's the look of the drawer. But I know somewhere in one of the other pallets there's the other one of these. I don't know. I think I'm going to ring him tomorrow. Now, when I picked these up, funnily enough, the person that was helping there, she'd bagged a lot of these up and said, look, there's only, there's a few odds here. So she gave me 1 or 2 freebies from another pallet, which equated to about 30, 40 quid maybe. And I just thought that was her being nice. I didn't realise it was there was so much more. I think then there was about 10 to 15. And I kind of thought, okay, well, that's nice. It's annoying, especially because I saw that one in there. And that was one of the reasons why I bought the pallet, because I've sold these well before. 40, there could be more as well. I'm going to guess I'm going to at least find another 5 more. Let me know in the comment section what you think I should do. And if you want to see the full video about what I found in the rest of this pallet, that'll be coming soon.
Future Tom here, and just to interject and say, I actually did message the guy, and I want to read out what I put. I put, hi, I'm not sure if you've spoken about this yet, but I've gone through most of the pallets now, and I wanted to give you some honest feedback since you said you were interested. I'll be honest with you, it's okay overall with some good items, but not great. I understand that with mixed pallets, it's always a bit of luck, but my main issue is that you mentioned all the shoes will be in pairs. I can accept the occasional single one, that's fair enough, but I counted over 40 single shoes so far, many of them decent sellable brands, including some ones that I saw on the top of the pallet, which convinced me to buy it in the first place. I know this isn't down to you personally, and it's probably something that happened further up the chain, but I do think that the price should reflect that, or maybe it's worth mentioning it to your supplier. I'm not sure if the rest of the pallets are of a similar state, but I'm honestly a tiny bit disappointed with these ones, to be honest. You know me, I'm straightforward, and as I said, it's no reflection on you. We've done business for long enough that I just wanted to give you, just wanted to be upfront and give you some genuine feedback. Now, I wasn't expecting anything, but I did get a reply a couple of hours later saying, "Hi, mate, sod's law." Yes, she said that there was about 34 odds when she counted, but there shouldn't be that many. I've notified the warehouse where I get them from, and if you want to take 2 more pallets, I will do them for 700 and not 800. So he's knocking £50 off a pallet. Sorry, and thank you for letting us know. And then he goes on to say he's got 6 left and I can have all 6 for 325 each. He's very much a businessman, which is fine. He's always been like that. I've dealt with him for a long time. It's not great. I don't know what I was expecting, really. Do you think that's a satisfactory resolution? Come and buy more. I mean, that is the typical businessman strategy. I'm not in any rush to buy anymore because I need to sell this first. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Is that a satisfactory response, or should I be more grumpy with this?
If you like stuff to do with Amazon, selling on eBay and all that stuff, click on here and smash that subscribe button for more videos like it. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.